Hey everyone, Morgan here. So today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple fire ring. Let's do it. Step 1, find a spot. Step 2, dig out the spot. You can make it as big or as small as you want. It really depends on your purposes, whether this is going to be something more semi-permanent, something just for your personal needs. It really depends, but make it an appropriate size. Step 3, gather some rocks. At this point, it would be nice to have an assistant, but if you don't, go and gather the rocks when you're done making the pit. Step 4, place rocks around the top. You can make it as tall as you want. Just make sure that there is airflow still to the fire. Step 5, you gotta break it in, so make a fire.
Yes,
A little windy, but they're perfect. Nice job. Making it bigger. Good job. There you have it. And from here, you just build it up and up and up. Right, Ember? Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you are having a great weekend and a great day. Hope you're staying safe, staying healthy, and staying prepared. Talk to y'all later. Conquer tomorrow. We're preparing today. Bye-bye.